Chantal Belafonte reporting in your neighborhood of Marlin. As we await the weekend winter blast, dozens are lining up at KXXV hardware store for free pipe and faucet covers, courtesy of the city of Marlin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm living on my Social Security, so every little bit of help I can get, I appreciate very, very much.
When Michael Valtz heard that the city of Marlin was teaming up with KXXV Hardware to give out free faucet and pipe covers to Marlin residents, he quickly made his way to the store. He says with the upcoming winter weather set to arrive, this is a blessing.
The plumbing in the attic, I'm very worried that it could freeze this next week. We have a full week of freezing weather. So I would rather be safe than sorry.
Better safe than sorry seems to be the approach for many Marlin residents who are happy to take advantage of the free items. I ran into Marlin City Manager Jason Creasy at the store, who explained the reason for the giveaway.
Look, there may be a single mom or an elderly person that doesn't have the extra money to spend to prevent something like this from taking place. So it's going to be 8 degrees on Sunday morning. If we can possibly mitigate one leak doing this, then we're going to win by doing that.
Those wins would come from Volz and others, including Doris Springer Piper. She's a Marlin native who tells me she waited until the last minute to buy her pipe covers. If they did not give away these pipe covers, faucet covers, you would be doing what?
Cutting my water off and praying that I don't have a water leak.
But Piper, along with dozens of Marlin residents, don't have to worry about that, at least not this time around.
I am extremely grateful. I think it's a true blessing.
I'm so very, very grateful that this is happening. It's like a dream coming true before the nightmare starts.
Valtz tells me the 10 pipe covers he received for free would have cost him about $60, something he just didn't have right now at the time. I'm Chantal Belafonte reporting in your neighborhood of Marlin.